Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn basics of Boolean operations, union, cut and intersection. This tutorial is designed for the beginner user to understand the Boolean operation in FreeCAD. So here I am going to create one new file and we will switch to the part workbench. And in part workbench here you will find the standard shapes. So first I will insert one cube and then I will insert one cylinder. So here we have the two objects, cube and cylinder, and now we will understand the Boolean operation. So here is a button known as a Boolean operations. Click on it. So here you will find the four options: union, difference, intersection and section, and here you can select the object. But let's understand the Boolean operation in a more easier way. So here Boolean operation is nothing but a simple mathematical calculation, addition, subtraction. So let's I wanted to subtract this cylinder from this cube. So here the parent and child relationship is very important. So I wanted to subtract this cylinder from the cube, which means that cube is my parent, and press the control key and then select the child and click on the cut option. So you can see that I have subtracted the cylinder from this cube. Now delete it. Why order of selection is very important? Let's understand it here. So now we have considered this cube as a parent and a cylinder as a children. Now let's reverse back it. Now let's consider this cylinder as a parent and subtract this cube from the cylinder, then select the cube and now click on the cut operation. So here we have saw the two different results. So order of selection is very important in a Boolean operation. So always select the parent first. Now let's, what if you wanted to combine these two? We are seeing here the edge line of the cube, which means that these two are the separate body. Now press cube and then cylinder and then add a combine. So you can see that now it is a single object. In the case of a union, there is a no any need to care about the order of a selection. Either you can select the cube or cylinder for later, or you can select cylinder first then cube later. This Boolean operations also helps to find out the intersections. Now if we see, this is the intersection portion of this cube and cylinder, and now let's find out the intersection. Select the cube and then cylinder and go with the intersection. So we have found out the intersection area. Now let's see one more feature of a Boolean operation. Let's delete it. Now this object we can move. Let's transform. Let's move in this direction and select this direction. And now I wanted to create a hole, then I will select the cube and cylinder and click on the cut. So here hole is created, and now I can also change its property. For example, this is the of diameter 4 mm, and let's make it shorter than 4 mm. So here if you select the cylinder, here you will see the radius. Let's make it radius 1 mm. So you can see that it is got abated. We can also change the cube. Let's make it 5 mm. and select the transform tool, go to the top. So here we can move it from here as well. Let's say okay. So you can also change the placement. Let's delete it. So this is the basics of a Boolean operation for the beginner user of a FreeCAD, those who have just started learning the part workbench. So this is all about this tutorial, union, cut and intersection in a FreeCAD Boolean operation. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time. If you wanted to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. In this course you will learn everything from the basics, and you can see the complete course structure. It will start from the introduction of a FreeCAD, customization, sketching, fundamentals of a part modeling, mechanical part modeling, assembly, technical drawing and mechanical projects. You can also visit the link to watch the demo lectures and make your decision. I have already trained thousands of engineers and hobbyists over the Udemy platform, and here is my Udemy profile. I have teach more than 4,000 students and have rating of a 7.73 reviews. You can visit my Udemy profile as well, and I have worked more than 10 years in a industry, and I have blended my experience in my course. Here, if you buy this course, it is a one-time payment with a lifetime access, no subscription and no renewal. Let's talk about the core feature of my course. It is a more than 30 hours of a structured video training, and I always update this course on equal interval of a time. You can start from the basic. You do not have any need of a prior CAD experience of any softwares. I also provide the tutorial source file, respective video lectures, 2D drawing you will get, and real engineering projects, not just basic shapes. I have a experience. I have a blended my mechanical journey into my course, and best part is that it is a lifetime access and you can learn at your own pace. So please check out the link given in a video description and pin comment.